Rajdeep, not at all. Open up wounds. Rajdeep, it has opened up a more emotional wound, a more a shock to all of us. That how is it? I mean, then who's responsible? Please tell me. I want to know from my countrymen. Please tell me who demolished the masjid then.
I'll tell you
Who
what
benefited from the demolition?
No. The court verdict says that there were car sevaks or the so-called faceless mob who demolished the masjid, and the leaders can't be held responsible for the alleged spontaneous on-the-spur actions of this faceless mob. How do you respond?
Rajdeep, if that is the case, then tomorrow I will hold a protest in front of Prime Minister's 7 Racecourse Road home. And a huge crowd will assemble on the call of Asaduddin Owaisi. Now, if some violence happens over there, who will be blamed? Who will be booked under UAPA? Who will be languishing in the prison for years and years to come? It will be Asaduddin Owaisi. What kind of judgment is this? You are telling me that, and please understand, Rajdeep, on whose call were all those thousands of people had come over there? Please understand, Rajdeep, that the Babri Masjid was not a small hut. It was a building constructed on 1 acre of land. And it cannot be a spontaneous thing wherein you demolish a 1 acre building. You have to come prepared mentally. You have to plan for it. There are photographs of how training was done. There are photographs of car sevaks carrying, all those things which are required to demolish a masjid. And didn't BJP got the permission of Supreme Court? You had provoked the crowd. Wasn't it Sadhvi Ritambara was saying, ek dhakka aur do? Wasn't it Uma Bharti who was jumping into the lap of Murli Manohar Joshi, distributing sweets? And you had a smile on Advani's face. And Mr. Advani had the cheek to write in his book, the saddest day. No, it was not the saddest day. Till Advani lives, until he leaves this world, I hope he lives for 180 years, but he will be known for the fact that he was the person who led this agitation, and right in front of him, this masjid was demolished. And the travesty is that same accused was the Home Minister of this country in 98, from 99 to 2004. The icing on the cake is this government bestowed upon him the second highest civilian honor. What is the message you are sending? HRD Ministry was headed by Murli Manohar Joshi. Cleaning of Ganga was headed by Uma Bharati. What is the message you are sending? You think that we are fools, that we cannot connect the dots and see what will happen?
Let me try